What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to teach you how to make money as a teenager. And I wish my mom, my dad knew about what I'm getting ready to teach you because this is some valuable information. So, before we get started, like and subscribe to my channel because I will be putting out a lot of how to make money online, how to start your own business. It's gonna be a lot of content coming from me this year because I'm tired of seeing everybody just follow the follower. Everybody's following the person that's working a job, and they think that's how you achieve the American dream, and that is so far from the truth. But as you can see, I have two things written out. This the title of the video: How to Make Money as a Teenager, and I have started LLC. So you like, Charles? What's an LLC or a corporation? Well, a LLC or a corporation is basically a real business. This is can be a business. This really can be you, but you are operating as a business instead of operating as a social security person, social security number. You'll be operating as a EIN number. So you'll be operating as an official business. And but as a teen, you will have to get your mom or dad to sign. Your name will be on it too, but they will have to start it for you because you're not 18. Because if you're a teenager, you're from 13 to I say 17. So you will have to get your parents to basically file your information for you, and then once you turn 18, then they can turn the company over to you. And basically, you will start a LLC, and then you will build your business credit. So you were like, Charles, what is business credit? So your business credit is a little different than your personal credit, a lot different, because when you business credit, they give you really, really big limits compared to you trying to get the limits with your personal credit. Most of the personal credit usually they won't go any higher than uh, maybe 100,000, but you will have to really work that credit card in order to get to that point. But when you operate as a business, like, you could get limits uh, like that, maybe even bigger. I just got a credit card in the mail, and it is up to $300,000 for my business that they're trying to offer me, but I didn't accept it. It's still sitting on my table. I'm debating if I'm gonna try to get it or not, but it's that's a lot of capital. And basically, starting an LLC, you can build your net worth. If you look at people like Bill Gates or Warren Buffett, this is what they did. This is what they did to get to that billionaire status. They started a LLC, and their first LLC was a holding company, and then they put other business underneath the holding company, and build a business credit in each one of the LLCs, because that's basically what you do, and that's how you build your net worth. Because basically, what you're doing, you're building your net worth off of credit, and as you build, and then what we're gonna do with this credit, you can then, if you have a business idea, you don't have to go out and beg a bank to give you a loan, or you don't have to go begging for money. You already have the capital to get started. Whatever you want to start, you want to start car dealership, you want to start rental properties, or you want to start an online business. Yeah, start an LLC, build your business credit, build up your capital. Then you have capital to start whatever business, whatever online business you want, if that's the route you want to take, whatever you want. This is the blueprint to getting to $1 million. And if you're in 6 months, on the low side, you could have $100,000 worth of revolving cash credit in 6 months. And the route that I'm going, by the end of the year, my net worth should be $1 million at least, because I just have one LLC right now, and I'm working it to build. I'm building my business credit, and by the end of the year, my net worth should be $1 million or more. And this is a way. This is what you should be doing. You shouldn't be. I'm not telling you don't go to college or don't ever get a job, but in my recommendation, like, you don't want to work a job, do this. Find you something or find you they got free sites like what they got out here, ClickBank. Find your product, learn how to market online, and you already have the capital. You have an advertising budget behind you, and you can promote anything you want, and then you can compete with all these other marketers out here, or these so-called gurus that's really using people. The people are their customers, but they're trying to sell them a course, or that's basically all they do. That's how most of these marketers make their money. They're not making money online. They're making money selling you a course or something, which is not gonna have the full step in it. They're gonna give you step 1, then they're gonna skip step 2, give you step 3, then they're gonna skip step 4, give you step 5, and they're just gonna spoon feed you, so you'll keep coming back, and then they'll come out with another course in 2 to 3 months and try to get you to buy it. Then you'll go out, you buy that, and you'll never get no results because they're not giving you the full details. So this is basically what you need to do. Start an LLC and build your business credit and operate as a business. Don't operate as yourself. Just take yourself out the equation and operate as a business. And I will be putting out another video about LLC, and I'm gonna show you some of the steps in far as building business credit. I might put that video out tonight, depending on how I feel. But that's basically what you want to do. Start an LLC, build your business credit. And by the time you turn 18, your mom or dad can turn over $1 million company to you. And when you start off in life, you'll be light years ahead of all the other kids was out there getting in trouble and getting in trouble, getting locked up out there smoking and partying. while you home building your business, and they're out there playing games. And when you hit 18 and you jump out there, you with $1 million company, and you already understand business, you can be light years ahead of the kids. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on next video. Peace.